Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by melting 3 tablespoons margarine in a skillet over medium heat. This fat carries flavor and helps the roux brown evenly. Once foaming, add 3 tablespoons flour and whisk constantly. This cooks off raw starch and prevents a floury taste. Make sure to whisk for 1 to 2 minutes until the mixture smells nutty. Meanwhile, warm 2 cups of stock. Adding warm liquid keeps the roux from seizing. Once done, you're ready to start thinning the roux into gravy. You now thin the roux by pouring in 1/4 cup warm stock while whisking briskly. That initial splash prevents lumps. Then stream the remaining stock in a steady flow, whisking to form a glossy sauce. Bring to a gentle simmer and let it cook for 5 to 8 minutes so starch swells and the gravy thickens. Make sure to taste as it reduces and season gradually with salt, pepper, and about 1 teaspoon Worcestershire or fresh herbs. This balances richness without. You finish by checking texture and flavor. If too thin, simmer gently until desired body. If too thick, whisk in 1-2 tablespoon warm stock. For a silky finish, stir in 1 tablespoon butter off heat. This enriches mouthfeel. If lumps form, pass gravy through a fine mesh strainer and whisk vigorously. That smooths texture. One key troubleshooting tip: if it breaks or is grainy, make a quick slurry of 1 teaspoon flour in cold water. Whisk into simmering gravy until it rebinds, then taste and reseason.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.